We finally have a name for the combined program between Marriott Vacation Club and Sheraton and Westin Vacation Clubs, which is Vistana. What more do we know now that we didn't know before? Well, I'm going to talk all about it right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Let's talk about this big announcement on Thursday, June the 16th. Press release come out from Marriott Vacations Worldwide, which is the owner of Marriott Vacation Club and Vistana Signature Experiences, to talk about a new name for the combined program between Marriott Vacation Club and Vistana. And that name is going to be Abound by Marriott Vacations. So let's just take a quick look at the press release here, and we have another place that we can take a look at this announcement, which is over on Vistana.com. So let's see what exactly the press release had to say about the new name. Marriott Vacations Worldwide, a leader in leisure and travel with a portfolio of trusted, globally recognized travel brands and vacation clubs, is introducing Abound by Marriott Vacations, a new owner benefit and exchange program set to debut later this summer. It goes on to say here, with travel and leisure spend projected to reach $1.7 trillion by 2027, the new program is launching at the ideal time. It is designed to offer more destinations, more brands, and more choices to make vacationing even better for all travelers, particularly millennials who see travel as a key aspiration and who represent nearly a quarter of the company's first-time vacation ownership buyers. Abound by Marriott Vacations provides access to over 90 vacation club resorts across Marriott Vacation Club, Sheraton Vacation Club, and Westin Vacation Club, as well as access to more than 8,000 Marriott Bonvoy hotels, 2,000 vacation homes, and 2,000 unique experiences like cruises, guided and culinary tours, premier events, outdoor adventures, and more, with continued ability to exchange through Interval International, a premier exchange partner. That is kind of the bulk of it. I'm not going to go through the entire thing here. I will put a link to the press release down in the description box below, so if you want to take a look at that, definitely head over there. So as we're talking about this, I'm also going to kind of be dipping into some information that was gleaned from Marriott Vacations Worldwide Investor Day event that they actually held the same day they released this press release. Some bit of information there, as well as from this press release, kind of gets us to knowing at least a little bit more about how the program is going to work for both Marriott Vacation Club owners and Vistana, Sheraton, and Westin Vacation Club owners. All right, now let's take a look at a pop-up I'm getting when I log into our Vistana.com account. I'm actually not seeing the same or even a similar pop-up in our Marriott Vacation Club account, but this is what the pop-up on Vistana.com says. We're excited to announce a new affiliation with Abound by Marriott Vacations. It also says here, previously known as the Marriott Vacation Club Destinations Exchange Program. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a little bit. It also says here, as a new usage option for VSN members, Abound is designed to give you more destinations, more choices, and more benefits to make your vacation life even better. We're working hard to launch later this summer, so watch out for more details in the coming weeks. So what exactly does this mean? Essentially, this is pretty much just a marketing name for their new combined program. We could see that Abound by Marriott Vacations was previously known as the Marriott Vacation Club Destinations Exchange Program. Essentially what that is the Marriott Vacation Club Points Program, the exchange company that essentially allows trust points and elected or enrolled points. So owners that own weeks and they elect points, or people who purchased trust points direct from Marriott Vacation Club, to essentially be able to make reservations through this exchange company, specifically Destinations Exchange Program. So what this now does is essentially just gives a new name to that program, trademark the name. They can now market under Abound. Abound, I'm not too sure about the name. Kind of sounds a little silly, but it's actually kind of simple as well. And obviously, they're looking for something that they can trademark, something that's simple, and something that people will remember and associate with that brand. So So I think they've actually done a pretty good job here of the name Abound by Marriott Vacations. Okay, now in the future, we have the Abound by Marriott Vacations, which currently today, Destinations Exchange Program, contains Marriott Vacation Club inventory from points and from weeks owners. And in the future, what will happen is Vistana owners will also be able to enroll in this program. So how much will that cost? Well, we did actually get some information from the Investor Day webinar, and Lori Gustafson specifically was asked a question about cost to owners. And she essentially said it's completely additive with no incremental costs to owners. So all I can take from that is to mean there will be free enrollment for Vistana owners to join this Abound by Marriott Vacations. What it does, it gets all 5 of their brands kind of into this cohesive environment. 5 brands, you might be asking what the other 2 are. We have Marriott Vacation Club, Sheraton Vacation Club, Westin Vacation Club, Grand Residences, and Ritz-Carlton Club. So there's the 5 in total. And it allows members of Abound to be able to reserve any of those properties with points. Of course, always based on availability. Back when Marriott Vacation Club introduced their Destinations Exchange Program, there were some fairly significant fees in the hundreds up to $2,000 for owners to enroll. So definitely a nice thing here to be able to enroll for free. And obviously long term, as people enroll, the goal there, the hope there is maybe as they start to use the new program, they'll do add-ons down the road. So this is kind of where they see the benefit of essentially being able to sell to this new collective group of owners in Abound. Now, they also did put out a little bit of kind of marketing material for their new Abound program, kind of some flashy videos, lots of B-roll, some nice music to go along with the video, but really not a whole lot that really kind of featured the resorts or properties. Really, when I was watching those videos, and I'm kind of just putting little clips of them up here right now, there's only a couple clips of actual resorts that I recognize. It was more about experiences, people, places, things, more so than just resorts. They didn't feature the resorts so much in kind of their 1.5 minute promo video for Abound, but I did think it was kind of nice, kind of a nice way to promote and tell people about the program. Now, something I don't know is I haven't really even received an email about the new Abound by Marriott Vacations. Actually, don't think anybody has really received an email yet. Haven't heard of anybody getting any emails. Seems to be the only information is from the press release and from their Investor Day call on the 16th. So definitely some new and exciting information. On that Investor Day call, they kept saying, hey, later this summer, when referring to when they're going to launch this new program. So probably really mean anytime between now and around the end of September when we turn over to fall, right? So really no true idea on when this is going to see a launch yet. Keep hearing maybe sometime in July, but really don't know. So we're going to have to really kind of wait and see. And when they do roll out more information, I'll be sure to share it with you. So what do you think of the name Abound by Marriott Vacations? Let me know all about it down in the comments below. Definitely is kind of interesting. And also, what do you think about this new announcement getting maybe a little bit closer to a rollout of this program? Let me know that too in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really helps out this video, helps get it out to more people that are wanting to learn about Abound by Marriott Vacations. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Marriott Vacation Club, check out this one right up here, and YouTube. They think you'll like that video down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.